I'm going to use these 2 pages for my foldable today. This is a one-page wonder if you have a double-sided page, but I do not, so I'm going to work with these 2 pieces. And I think I'm going to make this one my outside, and this one will be the inside lining. So I have my outer color facing up and down. This is the top, this is the bottom. I'm going to turn it over, and I want to fold it into thirds like a brochure. So we will be folding them vertically. So because I want it in thirds, it's a 12 by 12. I'm going to measure real quick 4-inch spacing. So mark at 4 and a mark at 8. If you have a scoring board, you can score there. And then I'm just going to fold my papers in and crease them at those spots. Now I'm going to turn my paper so that the top of the page is on my left side. Flip it over, and I'm going to measure at, or you can score at 2 inches. This is for my top like envelope flat piece. And then I'm going to measure at 6.5. And then I'm going to crease my page on those measurements. Now I'm ready to trim it down. So if I'm looking at the top of my page, I have 3 rectangles, and I'm going to cut off the left rectangle and the right rectangle, leaving only the center rectangle. Okay, I had to grab another sheet of paper because the other one, the cutter kind of messed it up. So I have grabbed another piece of paper and folded it, and I've cut the left and the right top rectangles off. And now that I have cut the top rectangles off, we are going to cut diagonally on the bottom left and bottom right rectangles, and these are going to form pockets. So I'm going to set my paper in here diagonally so that I can cut my pockets in a straight line. If I don't do this, then they will not be straight. I am now just going to finish this cut up into my line because my diagonal didn't go all the way from corner to corner. That's okay because I can cut that up. So now these triangles will fold in to make 2 pockets down here, and this triangle will fold upwards to make a pocket at the top. And I'm just going to rematch my corners so that my edges, everything is straight. Alright, there we go. Now that will fold up just like that. Okay, because I only have one-sided scrapbook paper, I'm essentially going to fold my inside pieces the same way I folded the outside pieces. And I am just going to, once they're folded in this manner, I'm going to cut the top and left rectangles off and the bottom left and right rectangles off. And then I'll have a piece that I can tape down to this. That will be the inner lining. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now that I have my inner piece cut out, I'm going to go ahead and tape it down to the paper so that it is stuck there. So my measurements weren't quite right, and so I have a couple of spots that are just a little wonky, but you know, it's okay because it's fun. Paper crafting is, you know, it's okay to make mistakes, and we can be creative in our problem solving. But I am going to go ahead and tape my pockets down. So this one, I'm going to put tape along this side so that it is taped like that. I will tape along this side, and then for these, I'll tape this side and then this side, and then you have two pockets there. And then after that, we'll create some more pockets, but let's get these ones taped down first. Now I just kind of want to add a little something extra, so I'm going to use my corner rounder and just round the corners of, I don't know, I was going to say of the pockets, but it's just like pretty much anything that has a corner I can round, I'm going to round it. So if we were doing a true one-page wonder, then I would have two pieces of paper this size left over. And so we are going to use these pieces to make a pocket. I am going to, there we go, I'm going to use the opposite side. And so I'm going to trim this down just a little bit to make a pocket, and then I'll round the corner. And then I'm going to add tape to this side and the bottom, leaving one side open. And I'll do the same for this one, so this has a pocket as well. And that will use up all our pieces for this one-page wonder. Now for a closure, if I had like an eyelet, I could add a string that I could tie around. I could just tape a string on the back like I typically do and have it tie that way. Today I'm going to use a piece of Velcro, and so for my closure. So I'm going to go ahead and match these up, and then I will stick it to this pocket part. And then I will fold this down to where I want it. And there we go. Now it folds closed. Actually, it would have been nicer if it was closer to the edge. This one, my goodness, learn from my mistakes on this one. Not all of them can be just as I want them, but there we go. So now I have pockets to put things in. I can put something in this pocket right here. Let's put some journaling cards in so we can see. There's a pocket there. I got a pocket here and another pocket here. And then there's this pocket on the back side, and then a pocket this front side. So this is how many pockets this Folio has. You could put a cute little saying card in here. You're in these pockets, like you can make miniature little notebooks out of your journaling cards, and you can have a little notebook in there. You could wrap your cards with washi tape. You could paper clip ephemera. All sorts of things can go inside of this. It's just a cute little one-page wonder that you can put together, decorate. And so here is my finished Folio. Like I said, the Velcro would have been better a little further up. It would have been really cute if I had like an eyelet I could put in here and then tie with a string. But you have a cute little like envelope flap. This folds down. Then you got your pocket here, two pockets down here, pocket, pocket, and then even here if you wanted you could have some type of word or phrase. So yeah, possibilities are endless with this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you give this one-page wonder a try. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.